Hello, welcome to Bac2Bragg Home. What is Bac2Bragg Home? Well, I'll tell you. Bac2Bragg Home will mainly, at least starting out, be either cooking shows and home improvement shows. We'll call that show This Old Home Improvement until we think of a better name. Who knows? Anyway, home improvement is what we're about to do right now. And the first thing I know is sitting in this car is the exiting, trying to get out of this parking pad. As you can see, a little bit of greenery kind of blocks traffic. And here comes a car now, and that's when I see it. And I'm right next to the car I pulled in. So you can see I need to fix some stuff. But the problem is, it's on the road. So just taking a hedge trimmer or anything is a little dangerous because though you can hear that car, a hedge clipper right next to your face, or right in front of you, man, traffic is very busy, right next to you is louder. And so, yes, people driving should see you and dodge you, not hit you and kill you. You never know. You've had more incidents where it seemed more obvious that the person shouldn't have hit somebody than that. So what we're going to do is on a constant basis, every time you pull in, you see what's blocking the vision or view of traffic, and we'll clip that. And now we don't just want to clip. I see the spot I want to get, so I'll walk to that. You don't want to just clip it willy-nilly because it's not the best look. So what we're doing is, first let me find, this is what we're going to cut. Find the end of a leaf or a stem, like right there. You can see that. And then it doesn't look as bad, except for this is attached many different places. Boom. So, even that clipping, I didn't even hear that car till it was just about to pass us. So that took a little longer than even I planned. And that's why we're not going to do like a lot at once. It's just every once in a while, or not every once in a while, every time we pull in and also when we pull out or leave, we're going to clip. And that's our first episode of the Home Improvement Show and our trailer for this channel. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and all that other fun stuff. Peace.